Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a giant Empties. This is like ridiculous. It's been piling up for, well, I don't even know how long now, but I've just been adding stuff and I'm like, okay, we gotta throw it away. We need to film the Empties video. So let's just go ahead and get started. So right off the bat, something that just like fell out of the basket. I just put it in here last night. This is a different cleanser. It's a benzoyl oil peroxide acne treatment. It's for like, I guess like your back and chest area. This didn't do anything for me. If you've watched some of my videos where I think I've said it, I do suffer from like kind of like little baby pimple things on my back and sometimes they get on my chest. This really didn't do anything. I didn't notice any of a difference. I ordered off Amazon. I definitely will not be repurchasing it because I really didn't think it helped at all. If I had to recommend anything for helping with like body acne, it's the Murad body spray. I know it's expensive. I think it's around $40, but that thing really worked. Something else I have right here, these are the Kirkland daily facial towelettes with micellar water. These are from Costco. It's a Costco brand. You can get a giant box of these at Costco. These are okay. At first they burned my eyes, but now they don't. I don't know why. But I've also started using a face halo and that thing is pretty dang cool as well. I still use my Bior, is it Bior? It's Bioderma. I still use Bioderma. And I have some simple ones and some purity wipes, but I did finish this pack. I do have a big box, so I will finish them. I also have a dry shampoo. This is the Ren Pure Coconut Argan Dry Shampoo in Flawlessly Fresh. This did not top the Batiste. Batiste is still my #1 thing. To me, this is very kind of light compared to Batiste. Batiste, you know, you can really spray out and you get some nice powder in there. It really dries up your oils. I feel like I had to spray a lot of this to achieve that, and it's not a very thick kind of like mattifying spray or powder. It's very, very light. So maybe if your hair doesn't get oily a lot, you're able to kind of get away with 2 to 3 day hair with just slightly dirtiness or slightly oiliness. Maybe this would work better for you, but if you have a lot of oils by 2 or 3 day hair, I would definitely use Batiste and not this. Next is my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. I finally use this bad boy all the way up. I have it in the shade, I think it's like LO5 or, oh no, it's C4. I don't know where I got LO5 from. I have it in the shade C4. I use this thing all the way up. I literally have nothing left. Scraped it dry. I pulled the stopper out. This is one of my favorite concealers of all time. I already have a backup going. I will forever repurchase this. I also have the Gillette Venus Olay Shower and Shave Cream in the purple like scent. I really like this stuff, but I've recently been shaving my legs with the Shea Moisture like oil, and that is so much better. I prefer shaving with an oil a lot more. I feel like I'm able to have the oil on my skin longer. I get a closer, smoother shave versus I feel like this I'm just like kind of like wiping around conditioner on my body. So I have one in the shower I believe with me now, but I don't think I'll purchase these anymore. I'm sure I'll purchase the oil. And then I have quite a bit of toothpaste. I go through a lot of toothpaste obviously because I do brush my teeth. These are 2 right here on top. They're both from Crest and they're both the 3D white. One is an Arctic Fresh and one is the Brilliance line. They're both good. I kind of interchange between these 2, and right now I'm using like a charcoal one as well. So these are good. These are always my go-to toothpaste, and that's how I get my teeth white. So yeah, these are my favorite. I have some dog shampoo. I didn't use all of this because I really wasn't a fan of it. It's the Target brand, Boots and Barkley deodorizing dog shampoo, and it just really wasn't that good. So I found something better that Target sells, and I also get her some, I think it's like GNC Pets from PetSmart. I also buy that dog shampoo for her as well, but this sucked, so I wouldn't buy this. I felt like if anything, that shampoo on her kind of dried her out. I feel like it really didn't clean her that well. I have a baby Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask right here. I love Glam Glow. I love their mask, so I always use these up whenever I get little samples of them or anything like that, so I like these. And then I have my Mario Badescu, or I don't know how you say the last name, the drying lotion. I love this. I've probably gone through 3 or 4 of these, and I already am on like another one in my bathroom currently. So I will always buy this. It's great on pimples. You can put on a Q-tip, put it on the acne spot at night, and the inflammation with the acne spot will normally kind of go down and reduce through the night. You wake up in the morning, the pimple will be a little bit smaller, won't be completely gone, but it will definitely look better. Then I have the Tried and True Batiste Dry Shampoo, and this is in the shade Light and Blonde. I do like this one because it kind of sprays like a light tint into my roots, so it makes my hair lighter. helps my hair with its oiliness, so I love this. I love every single thing of Batiste, every smell, every color. The rose gold one is currently my favorite though. I'm pretty sure I have like 2 or 3 bottles. Favorite smell, favorite packaging, so that's currently my favorite one, but I do like the blonde. And then I have 2 face masks right here. One is from, I think it's the, I can't think of the brand right now. I really can't think of it, but it has the I Do You mask care. It's like the Disco Kitten mask, that's what it is. It's the makers of that. It's, oh wait, Meme Box. Duh, I'm like having a brain fart. It's Meme Box. This is the Unwind De-Stressing Mugwort Leaf Mask. And then I have the Charcoal Pore Care Lala Fox sheet mask. Sheet masks are kind of like one of those things for me to where it doesn't really work. It's kind of like nice just for the 20-30 minutes you have it on. Feels good. Probably does reduce some inflammation. I don't really think it's like an end-all be-all. I prefer definitely like a mud mask, but they're nice. You know, they're pretty non-expensive, especially getting them in packs. So I can't really hold up to say they really worked though, because sheet masks are just kind of hit and miss and you can't ever normally tell. And then I have 2 lip products right here. This is a Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick in the shade Rain. These are terrible, absolutely terrible. So freaking sticky. I have never tried anything more sticky and more disgusting in my life. So I literally just put this in here and I'm just gonna get rid of it. So I would not recommend this. I don't even care that it looks like Kylie Jenner and it's supposed to be a dupe for her lip kits. These are absolutely terrible. I kept the lip liner though because it was pretty, but these are absolutely terrible. And I have this Canvas Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Wanderlust. I did a video reviewing their stuff a while back and I just didn't like this. It's very runny, very liquidy, and it's just not my cup of tea, especially this color right now. I just really wasn't loving it and I already don't like the formula, so I decided to get rid of it. And then I have a Makeup Revolution brow pomade in the shade Blonde. This just literally dried up on me, so I need to buy another one. I've been really into pencils right now, and currently my favorite pencil is the NYX Precision Brow in Blonde. So this just dried up. Only reason I'm chunking it, but I do like this formula. Then I have a candle right here. This is, I'm pretty sure from Home Goods or something, or Marshalls, or, oh yeah, it is from Home Goods. It's a spiced pumpkin candle. Almost said sandal, and this smelled really, really good. It's from the brand DW Home, and I would definitely buy it again in the fall time if they come out and I see another spiced pumpkin candle, but I just used it all and I really enjoyed this actually. And then I have 2 more toothpaste right here. I'm telling y'all, I have been stocked up for a while with all these empties. These are the Colgate Optic White toothpaste in Icy Fresh. I have no idea, but these are both really good as well. I have 2 of them. I like them. All the toothpaste I've mentioned, I do like. Then I have some Yes To Blueberry Age Refresh Facial Cleansing Wipes. I mostly use these just right here when I'm filming to get something off my hand or swatches or if I spill something. I don't ever put these on my face because I definitely feel like they irritate my skin than they do more good for. So these are definitely just to get stuff off my hands. And then I have another thing right here, the Kirkland Daily Facial Towelettes. This is a travel size of 15. It's really nice just to throw in your makeup bag whenever you're going anywhere and you just need like a small thing of makeup wipes. And then I have the South Main Under Eye Gels. These reduce puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. These run a BoxyCharm and they're pretty good, I would have to say. I would definitely agree with the moisturizing. I don't know if it does puffiness and dark circles. I only used them once. So I would agree with the moisturizing claim, but I wouldn't agree with everything else. These are really nice, soothing, and relaxing, and they're definitely cooling. And I've also seen a lot of people put them in the fridge and then put them on. So that's pretty smart and I should try that. And then right here I have this, this is actually from my dermatologist. This is this like sulfacetamide sodium topical lotion. I used this for my face for a while because I get these really small like little acne spots. They're like bumps. They're like kind of texture spots, I guess would be the best way to describe it. It was okay. It wasn't anything helpful. I'm using something else right now, so I did finish this up. And then this was also in the same regimen. This is Epiduo. This worked pretty well, but I'm pretty sure my skin got used to it after a period of time, so I feel like it kind of trickled away and stopped working as well as it used to. So again, that's why my dermatologist did switch me onto something new. And then this is actually the thing I'm on right now. This is a sample. It's called Axone, and this is what I put on at night. I don't put it on in the morning because I normally forget, so I will put this on at night, and it's kind of to tame the little acne spots and everything that kind of appear right in this area, and sometimes I'll get them right here in my mouth and on my forehead. So I'll just put it all in those areas and basically just go to sleep. And I have another sheet mask. This is the Cream Shop Oh Dear Detoxifying Lemon Sheet Mask. This is like a Christmas set that I got. again, it was moisturizing, but it's kind of like sheet mask are so hard. So it's nice for what it is, but I didn't see, you know, I didn't see any like drastic changes or anything. And we have my favorite body wash right now. This is the Pan-Oxyl Acne Foaming Wash. This has 10% benzoyl peroxide, maximum strength, and it's meant for face, chest, and back. This is what I use. It was recommended to me by Casey Holmes, so this is what I currently have. I have one in the shower that I'm using. This one's empty. I feel like this works, and it suds up a lot more than the other one that I mentioned in the very beginning. You can buy this at Walmart, and I believe they also have it on Amazon. It's around like $8 or $9, so I would definitely give it a shot if you're suffering some like from back and chest acne at all. Try this before going to a dermatologist, because it really did help me. I have a mascara right here. This is the Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot mascara. I really liked this. I used it till like it was basically dry, because this brush is just nasty and very dry. So I will repurchase this once I get through some mascaras I have in my drawer already. But this one was really nice. Next, I have the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer in Nourishing Mani Oil. This is pretty good as well. I'm probably not gonna buy this again just because I found my perfect like out of the shower moisturizer. This was nice, it was easy and was convenient, but it's kind of like, I have my perfect Nivea out of the shower moisturizer now. And I have two things of deodorant. So one is crap and one is good. I'll go with the crap one first. This is the Secret Clear Gel Passion de Tango Gel Deodorant. I stopped using deodorants that have aluminum in it just for personal reasons. I didn't really like it being that close to my lymph nodes and being able to be absorbed, and I sweat a lot. I hate it. I hate that I sweat so much, and it's just, and it stinks and it's disgusting. I already know, TMI, but this just didn't do anything. But this on the other hand does. And I actually saw a while back Kathleen Lights talking about this brand. This is La Vanilla. This is a Sport Luxe healthy deodorant, and this has no lavender in it, and I believe this is just like in a lemon scent or something. I have no idea. Maybe it's in a vanilla lemon. I can't think of it. But they have a lot of other scents. You can buy it at Ulta and Sephora. I get mine normally at Ulta. Like I said, no aluminum, natural formula, and it has no parabens either. My big thing is aluminum. This seems to help my sweatness also. Still sweat a lot, but it helps to mask the smell more. It's absolutely disgusting. Like I said, TMI. It's gross as hell, but there's something I can do about it. And then I have two more things of these little wipes. So I have another daily facial towelettes. I swear I went through a lot of these. And then I have the Burt's Bees Cucumber and Sage facial cleansing towelettes, which like I said, I only use these on my hands because they're kind of iffy on my skin. Then I have my Real Techniques Deep Cleansing Gel for my brushes. This is a really nice brush soap if you want something affordable, accessible, quick and easy. They have it at Ulta, they have it at my H-E-B, they have it at Walmart, they have it probably at Walgreens and CVS. So this is a pretty good one. It lasted me for a very long time, and it's, you know, you just squeeze a little bit on a brush mat, put your brushes in it, clean them around. So I thought it was pretty good for what it's worth, and I definitely want to look into getting some Cinema Secret stuff now. Next, I have two of these little hand sanitizers. These are from Bath & Body Works. I have Pumpkin Frost and Maui Mango Mai Tai. Maui Mango Mai Tai. I love these. I'm a hoarder of these. It's a bad thing, I know, but I guess it's a good thing to hoard because it's antibacterial, but still. I just really like to smell these, and they're easy, convenient to have. Sometimes if, you know, bathrooms are nasty or maybe they just don't have paper towels, you can just use that real quick. I also have another mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess False Effect Mascara. This is the green one that everybody talks about, and this was another one of those things that I literally used up, like it's dry inside. I will repurchase this. I just have a lot of mascaras currently, so it's still a favorite though. And I have my beloved Tea Tree Water Toner from Lush. I love this. Already repurchased it. I took the sprayer out because I needed the sprayer for another bottle, but this is great. It has tea tree in it, grapefruit, juniper, I think, or something like that. Yeah, tea tree, grapefruit water, juniper berry water. And I think that's pretty much it, but I really like this. It's a nice toner. I really will just spray it on my face and kind of let it soak in. And I have the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. This was cool, and I want the full size of it. This is basically like a 10-in-1 hair primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. I'm trying to read exactly what it says. Give your hair its daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. This multitasking formula does it all. Detangles, nourishes, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, reduces frizz, and protects against thermal, environmental, and UV damage. So this is pretty cool. I definitely noticed my hair was softer. It would probably take multiple uses to be able to see a big change with this, but I do want to buy the full size if I can ever remember when I'm at Ulta. And then this right here was absolutely the worst thing I've ever used in my entire life. This is the L'Oreal Dermo Expertise Eye Offense Eye Cream. Total crap, burned my eyes. I'm not kidding y'all. I probably had like, I don't even know, 3rd-degree burns or anything. I mean, it was bad. They were red, they hurt, they were painful. So this is getting thrown away immediately. I would not recommend this at all. I don't know why it burns. I don't know what's in it. I don't know anything, but I would not buy this little bottle. So that is basically all of my empties right there. I will have kind of like all my empties down below, maybe in like a playlist or something like that. I do have a playlist, I believe, of all my empties videos. They're always so fun to look back because I always have so much stuff. So it's pretty interesting. And like I said, I always give like little mini reviews too. So if you guys did enjoy this video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you guys later. Bye y'all.